among the three of them.
Wow. At one point, Tolomia had 19 in game number 2.
Yes, and you know what's so dangerous about this trio is that they're types of players who can...
They kept it close, and they won 48-46. Nice inside stab there as Adamson gets the lead.
Jericho Cruz, because you see the confidence that he's giving this guy. He's on his first year, but he's already a starter on this Adamson Falcon squad.
Salamat, Judy. Samsung Courtside Update brought to you by Samsung Galaxy Tab 2.0. Life just got better as
first half well. And if you look at the stats in that first half, the trio against UST was 6 for 20 in the first half. Against LaSalle, they were 4 for 17.
So we're only down by 4 at halftime. And all of a sudden, you know, Coach Norman making the adjustment as Alex Duiles makes his own adjustment on that shot. And the lead shifting back to Adamson, 8 to
fatigue factor, because how can you sustain 40 minutes of that type of energy coming from those three? Brondial,
17 if I'm not
17 turnovers against Ateneo, and that is one of the things also that you'll be worried about without your Lester Alvarez, without your Jeric Cañon.
And the perimeter field goals, and that's interesting as Etrone throws this one up and gets it to go for their first triple of the game. That is an interesting para sa dalawang koponan. Tolomia out to Garcia. Garcia drives in, kisses it off the glass and cuts the lead down to 1. And this is what you talked about. This is what Coach Flores talked about. Deep into the shot clock, you got guys like Tolomia and Garcia who are able to break the Adamson defense. We start at 15 all. Boom Gonzalez, Marco Benitez, Derek Abet Ramos at the helm of this ABS-CBN Sports exclusive coverage. And Rodney Brondial busts out a smile after going to the glass to give them a 2-point lead.
As you take a look at the stats of the first, Rodney Brondial and Eric Camson.
Senchu, nandiyan pa nga yan.
Oh.
The Cameroonian. Oh, what a spin by Garcia. And a highlight play of 14 feet smooth as Hargrove and Brondial continue to talk to each other. Hargrove's got to watch it, Marco. Life just got better. 6:42 to play. 3-point lead. Step back jumper by Romeo. Gets it up and in.
Romeo.
Turnover to play. Isa lang po ang kalamangan netong Adamson University at naibura na. Harvey Bringas, who comes
outside of that tandem of Garcia and Romeo, have accounted for 16 out of the 21 points of FEU.
Brondial this time.
Because alam nila, Boom, na when it gets to the end game, they have the material. They have the crunch time players who can really close it out for them.
Garcia gets it to go from downtown. Long.
You're
right. I was just about to ask what happened to him. He just checked in, by the way. Bringas underneath. Flexes his muscle. 4 points for Bringas. And that's the lead. 26-22.
And that's also where you miss your Austin Maniara, who accounted for 2 out of the 4 blocks.
Screen set. Escoto. His version of a 3 gets it to go.
But we know that this guy can hit it from the 3-point line, as we saw last season. That time, great assist from Terrence Romeo.
Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
That's another turnover.
Another turnover. Romeo, the bang in the bucket. 4 assists in this quarter for FEU. And Romeo leading the parade with 11 points. Brondial picks up the loose ball. Brondial with the up and under.
Great move there on the part of
Romeo. 8 seconds on the shot clock. The show on Romeo. Gives up the dribble. Back to Romeo on the slide. What a play by Escoto.
Great give and go play. Great recognition. That really comes from playing a lot of basketball games with each other, Boom. They have all the games there and the highlights.
You can also follow us on Twitter if you have any questions that we may be able to answer for this matchup as the rookie hapon muli. 30 seconds into the third quarter. And Adamson, courtesy of Jericho Cruz, who's joined by Nuiles, Eric Camson, Rodney Brondial, at si Etrone rin nandyan. So
to bring the ball down, but primarily it's going to be Etrone.
Hargrove And a follow-up again by this hard-working group. That's the points in the paint. FDU with a 6-point advantage, 18-12. Well, that's with only 2 points.
So far, it has not been that much
Oh.
of a factor here.
It's not good
He's not
right
in
now.
this ball game right now.
And he goes to the end of the bench, Marco, as Russell Escoto gets it up for FDU on your screens.
Four of those second chance points coming from the FDU rookie, Mark Bello.
Oh, Etrone with a money ball. He gets it to go for 8 points.
For the Falcons, extending the pressure.
Ayun na nga. A takeaway. Romeo slows down. Unable to get it up and in. Terrence Romeo with 16 points. Sets up Hargrove. Hargrove shooting. Nope. Bello again.
Again, from my count, boom.
Yes, here in the quarter. All in the third quarter. Yung mga putback na yun as Jericho Cruz. Oh, and Cabrera able to sneak one in.
And I think that those are the first 2 points of Roy de Cabrera. I'm sure as a player he feels very discouraged, boom, because coming into the season everybody expects you to really be the one to carry the load of this team. And when you don't meet expectations as a player, syempre, you're very frustrated with yourself. And when I think Coach Leo
with a kid from Cavite. Cabrera, ibinato kay Abrigo. Better passing here by Adam.
Today. You know what? This Saipan race transferring first love is in basketball. Growing up, he used to train for mixed martial arts since he fought him as a rookie veteran. Nevertheless, he's excited to play for the Falcons and he's hoping for a breakout season. Boom.
Thank you very much, Apple, for a Samson courtside minutes to play. With Romeo giving it up to Garcia for the 3. He says, this is how you do it.
And you remember, was it the UST or
Standing his ground, 4-on-1 on the other side.
And that is where
Great defense by the guys in white. Alex Nuiles picking up some steam. Pumreno. Etrone for a quick 3. Yes!
Adamson takes the lead. And boom, also, it's probably why Coach
Adamson, Etrone, 3 out of 4 from beyond the arc today. Sasagot si Tolonia, and he gets it to go. Oh, what a game.
both teams not give.
Lead change of the game. A miss by Camson again. Oh, what a pass! Tolonia with a fake. Romeo looking away. Cruz underneath to Camson, who finally finds the hole.
Great find there on the part of Jericho Cruz.
Nuiles pa rin ang may bola. Maagawan. Oh, what a move! The bang in the bucket. Ang tubong Cavite. Ibinaybay pa yung bola. At binigyan ng FU ng 4 na puntong kalamangan. They just don't want to pull away. They like these close games.
There's